Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can restore a deleted Facebook page. After you deleted your Facebook page, you will have 30 days to change your mind and restore it. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. And now let me show you how you can restore your Facebook page. So first, you have to click your profile picture on the top right corner. Then you're gonna click Settings and Privacy, Settings, and then you're gonna scroll down to Your Information. Then you're gonna just click Reactivate a page. And then Facebook tells you that you have 30 days after deletion to reactivate. After that, you will lose all of your information. Then you're gonna have to click Reactivate, and then your Facebook page is reactivated. Alright, so all in all, this is how you restore your deleted Facebook page. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, that you can also find in the video description below.